Hi everyone. It is Tuesday, December 8th, and I am going to go through your grammar activity for today. And that activity is in your grammar packet for Unit 2, Week 5. The dates are December 7th through 11th. So go ahead and locate that packet. You can pause the video if you need a moment to find it. Okay, yesterday we learned about singular possessive nouns. And what we learned is that if a possessive noun shows who or what owns something. And most singular possessive nouns, all we have to do is add apostrophe S. So instead of the bowl of my cat is empty, we would change it to the cat's bowl is empty. Today we're going to talk about what to do if the noun that we're making possessive is plural. Okay, and there's two rules, and it depends. Now, I already filled in some of these sentences, some of these answers, so I'm going to cover them up. Okay, and what the rules say is, the rule is that all you have to do is add an apostrophe to most plural nouns to make them possessive. So what we mean by that is, if we're talking about a group of turtles and their shells, we would say we could see the turtle's shells, and you just put an apostrophe at the end. That shows it was a whole group of turtles that owned the shells. We know, though, some possessive or some plural nouns don't end with an S. We have the special plural nouns, like mice, for example. In that case, we add an apostrophe and an S to form the possessive of plural nouns that do not end with an S. So we would say the mice's home is in the barn. So that's if there's mice in the barn and they all live in that home. So for these, we are going to underline the correct plural possessive noun and then rewrite the sentence on the lines. Now, I already wrote these out. So after I go through each one, you're probably going to want to pause so you can get it written down, and then unpause and do the next one. So here's our first one. The bird's beaks are full of straw. Now it's a plural with an S at the end, birds. So all we have to do is add that apostrophe. So you should underline B-I-R-D-S apostrophe. And then when you go to write your sentence, okay, you're going to say, the bird's beaks are full of straw. And notice when I wrote my sentence, I started with a capital. I spaced between my words. I made sure that I put the correct spelling for birds, B-I-R-D-S apostrophe. Beaks are full of straw. And when I ran out of room, I didn't try to squeeze that word in here. I just went underneath and then ended with a period. So if you need some time to copy this one, go ahead and hit pause. And when you're done, hit play again, and we'll go on to number 2. All right, so number 2 says, the children's favorite animal was the fox. Now, children does not end with an S. So here we would want to underline the choice with apostrophe S. And then you're going to practice some very nice writing by rewriting the sentence using the answer you chose. So it would look like this. The children's, children with apostrophe S, favorite animal was the fox, period. Again, I didn't try to squeeze it all on one line when I ran out of room. I just went down at the bottom. I spaced between my words so it would be very easy for somebody reading it to follow my sentence. So if you need some time to write this one down, hit pause and then hit play when you are ready for number 3. Number 3. The ducks' nests were by the water. So ducks ends with an S. So we just have to follow the same rule we did up here for turtles. Just put the apostrophe at the end. So we would underline that choice. And then we would very neatly write our new sentence with the answer that we chose. The ducks, with S apostrophe, the ducks' nests were by the water. And again, spacing between your words, starting with your capital, ending with a period, and go ahead and hit pause if you need to. All right, number 4. The squirrel's tails helps them keep warm. Squirrels already ends with an S, so we're going to underline the one with the apostrophe at the end. And then we're going to very neatly write our answer sentence with our correct answer choice. The squirrel's tails helped them keep warm, period. Again, start with a capital, end with a period, nice spacing between your words. If you run out of room, go down here at the bottom and make sure you put the correct answer choice. Go ahead and pause if you need some time. And number 5, the dog's owners take them to the park. So again, dogs ends with an S, so we just make the answer choice that has the apostrophe at the end. And our sentence would look like this. The dogs, with the apostrophe at the end, owners, take them to the park. All right, when you are finished, go ahead and send me a picture of your beautiful work on Seesaw.